Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, October 24th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Croton, it will be thunderstorms with a high of 72 degrees and a low of 51 degrees with a 100% chance of rain. Get those raincoats out.
No, not rain.
Happy birthday, Kessler!
Yeah, okay. This week is Red Ribbon Week. Today we wear red to make healthy choices. Tomorrow will be make healthy choices for a bright future. Wear neon colors.
Today's lunch options are mac and cheese, buffalo ranch chicken salad, and a chicken sandwich.
Yum.
Great. Now here's Ellie with Weird But True.
There's a swimming pool shaped like the state of Texas right here in Plano, Texas.
Where?
Wow.
In Plano, Texas.
That's a lot of help.
Today in history, in 1926, Harry Houdini has his last performance in Detroit. Wow.
Wow. So cute, I can't. An owl has kicked off Halloween by stealing a toy stick horse, also known as a hobby horse, riding it around like a witch on a broomstick. The great horned owl took the horse from an unknown resident of Eureka, Illinois, before being captured on film by President Eric Lind. Current situation at my parents' house, Lind wrote on Facebook. The young neighborhood owl has stolen this stick horse and is flying around the neighborhood with it.
He added that the stick horse was not his own, writing, if your child is missing their stick horse, you'll have to talk to the owl.
Well, we gotta go talk to the owl.
Yeah.
Bet you didn't know, bats are the only mammal that can fly.
Really?
Nope, not
Yep.
true.
No,
I can fly.
I can fly.
No, you can't. Now for the joke of the day. Now here's Gracie for the joke of the day.
Hey guys, what was the witch's favorite subject in school?
I don't
I
know.
don't know what.
Spelling.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Carter.
And I'm Kessler.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba, dum, bum, 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 bum. See you next time.